What's going on, guys? So working on a 01 7.3 liter Ford F550, and just moving it in the lot yesterday. All I was doing is moving a trailer. Truck started to run rough, shut off on me a couple times, and so whatever, I dropped the trailer off and brought it back into the shop. Hooked up that scan tool to it, and I was getting a P0279, which is a high side open to low side on cylinder number 7. So this morning when I came in, I went ahead and I started to basically diagnose everything. I ohmed out the injector. The injector ohmed out at, I think, 3.4, something like that. That was at the actual injector. And so since the injector was good, or looked good anyway, ohming it out, I went ahead and ohmed out the harness from where your main harness connects on the driver's side and runs across to the passenger side of the engine, and I ohmed out the driver's side and the passenger side. On the driver's side, I was getting, I think, 3.8 on all 4 injectors, and on the passenger side, I was at 3.2, I believe. Okay, so I checked the harness, ohmed everything out, everything looked good. Didn't have any major problems with anything. So right now, as a kind of a quick last resort, because I did have an extra set of injectors laying around, I went ahead and plugged in a used injector that I had, and did the buzz test again, and everything came out normal. DTC is gone. So just a quick everything could ohm out correctly. You could hear your solenoid on top of the injector buzzing. It didn't sound any different than the others. So just a quick FYI for all you guys, even though everything looks okay, everything ohms out okay, it could still be your solenoid on top of that injector. So as you can see in here, I don't know if you can, but I basically have that other injector just plugged in. So once I ran that buzz test again, everything came out normal. DTC is gone. So what I'm going to do is pull that solenoid off the top of that injector and replace it with that one that I have there for now. So any other updates, guys, I'll let you know. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.